Rishi, you won't believe this, but I've been scammed again.
What? How did that happen?
Someone added me to a private group on WhatsApp. They were sharing daily investment tips there. And people were also posting screenshots of their profits. So I decided to invest too.
But as soon as I sent the money, the group disappeared.
God, that's a fraud, Amit. These private groups have become the new tools for scammers. They first build trust.
Using fake chats and profit screenshots can work. And once people start believing everything is real, they vanish with the money.
I thought since so many people were investing, it must be safe.
Bro, those people could all be part of the same scam team. For genuine investment guidance,
Never depend on social media groups or forwarded messages. Always consult a professional. And stay as cautious as possible with such closed groups.
For mutual funds related investment guidance, contact us today.